Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Salvadoran Boy coming at you with another video. This one's gonna be an explanation to why this happened. I was flying a drone and we were trying to do a shot, me flying the drone and following us in the car, and we made a turn and I didn't see that when we made the turn I didn't adjust the drone to the turn that we made, and I ran into a tree. It was really high up, and when I came, the wire had ripped right out of the drone. So it's pretty much done until I went and got the GoPro Karma. So this is gonna be pretty much a basic unboxing of what's inside. I'm sorry that that had to happen, but I'm excited that this happened. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this is the Karma drone. Let's take this out of the box. I'm recording with my phone, so I'm gonna see how to do this. So it's just a cardboard thing, nothing too special about it. Comes with the backpack. With this one, I had to take the propellers off, the guards off, which I had already broken, and put it all back together. And this huge thing is pretty hard to find a regular backpack to be able to carry it. Let's open it up. This is hard doing it one-handed. So there it is. This is the charger. It's actually a really big brick. Nope, not yet. Here are the things I guess you use that for the propellers. These are the propellers. So it comes with three silver ones and 3 black ones. It would have been cool if it was 8, just in case. Throw that out. See what else? What is this? That's the GoPro bag. What's in here? Another charging cable. I guess that's for the gimbal. A case, a strap, the locking mechanism for the handheld thing. Let's see. What else is in here? Got some instructions in here, which I'm probably not going to read. Warnings, nobody cares about the warnings. More instructions, nobody cares about that. Comes with this silica gel. Throw away, do not eat. Nobody cares about that. What else? What's... let's see. This is the remote. If I can get it to open. God, this is so hard with one hand. Come charged. Oh, cool. And then the gimbal, which feels pretty cool. It'd be cool to do some steady shots with this. Oh, you can control it from here. Okay, so this is a drone. Is it powered on? there's no charge. Okay, so I'm gonna have to charge it. Well, this is the unboxing for it. Pretty cool. I'm excited to fly it. Oh, and it also comes with the GoPro Hero 5 Black. So I'm excited to see the quality of this. I'm sorry for the old drone, but I'm excited for the second season of Drone Shots. Here we go. Thank you guys for watching, giving it that thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Don't forget, you guys are awesome. I'll see you guys later. Woo, I'm excited for this. Let's do this. If you made it this far to the end of the video, I'm just trying to put this thing together for the sake of the unboxing. I already opened it, but you guys don't know that. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, you guys are awesome. I'll see you guys later.